Let's dive right in. The market's buzzing with activity as U.S. stock futures are showing some serious upward momentum. We've got the latest on the Fed's rate cuts and a massive $5 billion investment deal between Nvidia and Intel that's got everyone talking. Plus, we're breaking down how this could impact the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Next up, the semiconductor wars are heating up. JP Morgan has just reinstated Broadcom as its top semiconductor stock pick, and they're not holding back on the reasons why. We're talking strong AI growth, a diversified business model, and what this means for the future of chips. And speaking of AI chips, the battle for supremacy is reaching a fever pitch. Broadcom is making some serious moves, directly challenging Nvidia's reign in a market worth over $90 billion. We're talking custom ASICs, advanced networking, and who's really calling the shots. Finally, we're looking at the future of cloud infrastructure with Broadcom's focused strategy for VMware Cloud Foundation. They're reshaping their partner ecosystem to deliver maximum value. Stick around for all the details, and make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Qualcomm Pulse. Markets making moves. U.S. stock futures are on the rise today, fueled by the Federal Reserve's latest rate cut and a significant $5 billion investment deal between tech giants Nvidia and Intel. The Fed, led by Chair Jerome Powell, signaled more easing could be on the way, partly due to a cooling labor market, while initial jobless claims surprisingly fell to 231,000. Regional manufacturing activity also showed expansion in the Philadelphia Fed survey. This all comes as Nvidia's investment and collaboration with Intel is pushing both their stocks higher in pre-market trading. Analysts like Jeff Buchbinder of LPL Financial note that historically, the second year of a rate-cutting cycle has been strong for the S&P 500, potentially yielding over 16% in returns, provided the economy avoids recession. However, the Fed's own projections show a slower path for rate cuts in 2026, leading to mixed signals and observations like Anna Wong of Bloomberg calling the Fed's meeting full of contradictions. Investors are watching closely as this unfolds, with major indices like the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust and Invesco QQQ Trust showing pre-market gains. Don't go anywhere, because the story behind these market shifts is just getting started. Next, we're diving deep into the semiconductor world, where one company is being hailed as the top pick. Get ready for a major semiconductor shakeup. JP Morgan has just reinstated Broadcom as its undisputed top pick in the semiconductor sector, and the reasons are compelling. They're highlighting Broadcom's robust AI demand, particularly in its custom AI XPU business and high-performance networking, alongside signs of recovery in its non-AI semiconductor segments and continued growth from its VMware acquisition. JP Morgan's chief financial officer, Kirsten Spears, discussed these strengths at a recent conference, emphasizing that Broadcom is not just delivering chips, but entire AI rack-level deployments. The firm reiterated its overweight rating with a $400 price target, seeing a significant upside potential. Key takeaways include confidence in customers eventually moving to million-unit AI clusters, the potential for CEO Hock Tan's incentives to reach maximum value if AI revenue targets are met, and Broadcom's leadership in developing next-generation AI products. They're also seeing growth opportunities in various network architectures and expect non-AI businesses to accelerate after fiscal year 2026. This strategic focus positions Broadcom as a powerhouse with unparalleled scale and technical capabilities. But Broadcom isn't just a top pick, they're also making waves in a massive market. Coming up, we'll explore how they're directly challenging a tech giant for AI chip supremacy. The battle for AI chip dominance is reaching its peak, and it's a showdown between Nvidia and Broadcom in a market projected to exceed $90 billion by 2025. Nvidia, the long-standing leader, continues to dominate the AI GPU space with its powerful architectures and integrated CUDA platform, reporting staggering revenues driven by its data center segment. However, major tech companies are actively seeking diversification, creating a prime opportunity for Broadcom. Broadcom's strategy hinges on custom ASICs, offering energy-efficient and cost-effective solutions, alongside advanced networking components crucial for AI systems. Their recent unveiling of the Tomahawk 6 AI chip, boasting a six-fold speed increase, and significant custom chip wins, including a likely deal with OpenAI worth over $10 billion, have propelled their AI semiconductor sales. Analysts predict continued robust growth, with AI revenue now accounting for over half of their semiconductor sales. This intense competition is leading to greater leverage for hyperscale cloud providers and benefits companies across the AI supply chain, while smaller startups face significant challenges. The market is evolving towards specialized silicon and integrated solutions, with NVIDIA focusing on raw compute power and Broadcom on tailored efficiency and networking infrastructure. Now, let's shift focus to how one of these giants is strategically reshaping its cloud services. Next, we're looking at Broadcom's future vision for VMware Cloud Foundation. Broadcom is charting a new course for its VMware Cloud Foundation, VCF, strategy, aiming to deliver unparalleled value to customers through a more focused and optimized VMware Cloud Service Provider, VCSP, ecosystem. Following VMware Explore 2025 and the release of VCF 9, Broadcom is strategically reducing the number of authorized VCSP partners in most markets to cultivate an environment where highly capable and trained partners can provide exceptional customer experiences. This transition, while potentially requiring some customers to shift to new partners, is orchestrated to ensure superior service delivery, focusing on partners who demonstrate deep expertise, robust VCF capabilities, and a commitment to customer success. Retained partners will benefit from enhanced collaboration, increased visibility, and greater opportunities for growth and profitability. Importantly, customer entitlement to port VCF licenses to public cloud services will be restricted to current certified cloud services, including active VCSPs and hyperscale cloud partners, meaning non-renewing partners will not qualify for this portability. This refined approach aligns with Broadcom's vision for a stronger, more strategic VCSP channel focused on critical customer outcomes and managed services. And that's a wrap on our top stories today. But before you go, we've got a quick recap and a crucial call to action. That's a wrap on today's tech headlines. We saw U.S. stock futures rise following Fed rate cuts and a major Nvidia Intel investment. Broadcom reinstated as J.P. Morgan's top semiconductor pick due to strong AI growth, Broadcom challenging Nvidia for AI chip supremacy, and Broadcom refining its VMware Cloud Foundation strategy. Don't miss out on future updates. Smash that like button, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse, ring the notification bell, share your thoughts in the comments, and follow us on all social platforms.